In today's video, we'll explore the life of these incredible animals, from their social dynamics and hunting strategies to the challenges they face in the wild. The lion is easy to recognize with its strong body, sharp claws, and the thick mane around its head. This mane is like a crown, showing the lion's strength and importance in the animal kingdom. Lions live in groups called prides. A pride is a big family, usually made up of one or two male lions, several females, and their cubs. They stay together, protecting each other and their territory. The lion is easy to recognize with its strong body, sharp claws, and the thick mane around its head. This mane is like a crown, showing the lion's strength and importance in the animal kingdom. The forest is a challenging place to hunt, but the lion is a skilled hunter. The lionesses, who do most of the hunting, work together to catch animals like deer or wild boar. They are patient and move silently, using the forest to hide from their prey. After a successful hunt, the pride gathers to eat. The male lion, as the king, eats first. Then the females and cubs take their turn. This way, everyone gets their share and stays strong. A lion's roar can be heard for miles, letting everyone know that this is his territory. The king lion protects his pride and his land from other lions and dangers in the forest. Lion cubs are the future of the pride. They learn to hunt and survive by watching their parents. The whole pride helps raise them, teaching them the skills they need to become strong lions one day. Being the king of the forest is not easy. The lion faces many challenges, like finding food, fighting off rivals, and protecting his pride. But with courage and strength, the lion remains the true king of the wild. The lion, with its power and grace, is truly the king of the forest. A symbol of bravery and leadership, the lion's story is one of survival and strength. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of lions.